ChatGPT for Dummies. First step. Feeling a bit lost and annoyed with all the talk about AI? Like neural networks, plugins, hidden layers, algorithm, large language models, and so on? In this video, we are not going to bother you with hard to understand technical terms, nor we delve into how to create an account. Just search for ChatGPT and sign up and discover. Our goal is to show you how to start engaging with ChatGPT, making it both fun and beneficial. You don't need to know anything about AI to use ChatGPT. It's like learning to drive a car. Focus on driving, not on producing the car. Remember, learning to drive. It's all about practice. And best of all, there is no accident possible, unlike learning to drive. First and most importantly, what is ChatGPT to us? Think of ChatGPT as a well-educated friend, discreet, never tired of answering questions, even the silly ones. I recommend you get to know this friend and enjoy the benefits. But before you do, let me share a bit about them. Imagine ChatGPT with the friend picture in mind and have fun. Let ChatGPT write letters. The most common use for ChatGPT is assisting with writing. Use ChatGPT like a secretary. Just say roughly what the letter should include and what's it about. After the first draft, you can refine and change or add to it, simply by telling it what you want. Start with a familiar theme. This helps you evaluate the quality of responses, understand the limitations, and from better inquirers. Which theme? It's up to you. If it's football, relativity theory, fashions, or any other issue, question the first answers. They might be too general or not detailed enough. Keep in mind, ChatGPT tries its best to give you full and helpful answers, but it can't something wander off making things long and a bit much. Feel free to ask it to keep things simple and straight to the point, exactly how you need it. Understand ChatGPT's nature. It's designed to be mindful and careful with its responses, to avoid controversy, prevent illegal content, and ensure it doesn't offend anyone. Let's just say, sometimes it can be really woke. If you want to change its approach, talking to it can help. Much like encouraging a friend to be more daring. So engage in discussions. Yes, you can discuss topics like CO2 emissions. ChatGPT might initially say about 36 billion tons for human-induced emissions annually. But in reality, including natural processes, it's over 750 billion tons. This illustrates the importance of digging deeper and not accepting the first answers at face value. Translating and phrasing. You can ask for help with crafting sentence or phrases. This is great because you can tell the context where you need this phrase or sentence. In every language, summarize long texts. Just copy-paste longer texts into ChatGPT and ask it to tell you the important stuff. Learn anything. Remember, it's your friend, so you can ask anything: how to cook, understand equations, or even discuss topics like friendship, love, and philosophy. Your friend will never be too annoyed or tired. Research with ChatGPT. I do a lot. Initial responses may not always satisfy you, but like a dialogue with a friend, deeper questions can lead to more refined answers. Talking about this, I remember my video about vegan and carnivore. It took me hours to get the proper numbers, but finally, me and ChatGPT did. As I told you, just start exploring ChatGPT. It's like your friend. You can ask questions, try out ideas, play around, and do research. Practice makes perfect. And of course, there are many more possibilities to dive deeper, but that's up to you. It will become easier as more you get familiar to the basics of working with ChatGPT. The future of AI? Nobody knows, but the synergy between humans and AI holds immense potentials beyond what either can achieve alone. If AI's impact on jobs or life concerns you, start by exploring AI. Discover the advantages and limits, and you will find yourself in a better position. It's similar to choosing driving over walking. No need to understand the car's mechanics to take advantage of the benefit of driving. This is just the beginning. If you're curious, there's much more to explore with ChatGPT and similar AI technology. But remember, as Laozi said, a journey always starts with the first step. This video is your first step. So enjoy, have fun, agree, comment, disagree, share. See you soon!